Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Talk About Data. I'm Sonu Singh, and this is the start of our 12-week data science series. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this series is for you. Let's dive into Week 1, Introduction to Data Science. Data science is the art of turning raw data into meaningful insights. It combines programming, statistics, and domain knowledge to solve real-world problems. For example, companies like Netflix use data science to recommend movies, healthcare providers use it to predict disease outbreaks, financial institutions use it to detect fraudulent transactions. In short, data science helps us make smarter decisions by uncovering patterns and trends in data. The data science workflow typically follows these steps. 1. Problem definition. What are we trying to solve? For example, predicting customer churn. 2. Data collection. Gathering raw data from various sources. 3. Data cleaning. Preparing the data for analysis by handling missing values, duplicates, and inconsistencies. 4. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. Understanding the data through summary statistics and visualizations. 5. Modeling. Building predictive models using machine learning algorithms. 6. Evaluation. Testing the model's performance to ensure it's accurate and reliable. 7. Deployment. Putting the model into action, like integrating it into a company's systems. This process is often referred to as CRISP-DM, cross-industry standard process for data mining. Data science is everywhere. Here are a few examples of how it's used in different industries. Healthcare. Predicting patient outcomes and personalizing treatment plans. Finance. Detecting fraudulent transactions and optimizing investment strategies. Marketing. Personalizing customer experiences and predicting sales trends. Sports. Analyzing player performance and improving team strategies. These are just a few examples. Data science has countless applications across almost every industry. To get started in data science, you'll need to learn some key tools and technologies. Programming languages, Python and R are the most popular. Data manipulation. Libraries like Pandas and NumPy make it easy to clean and analyze data. Visualization. Tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn help you create stunning visualizations. Machine learning. Libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow allow you to build and train models. Don't worry if you're not familiar with these yet. We'll cover them in detail throughout this series. So, why should you learn data science? Here are a few reasons. High demand. Data science is one of the fastest growing fields, with companies across industries looking for skilled professionals. Versatile skills. The skills you learn in data science are applicable in many fields, from healthcare to finance to marketing. Real-world impact. Data science allows you to solve real-world problems and make a difference. Whether you're looking to start a new career or enhance your current skills, data science is a great choice. That's it for Week 1. Here's what's coming up in the next few weeks. Week 2, Python for data science. Week 3, data cleaning and preprocessing. Week 4, exploratory data analysis, EDA. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check out the resources on my website, Let's Talk About Data, for more tips and datasets. See you next time.